Hello friends, welcome to Remedies at Home. In this channel you can see a lot of stuffs which are right available in your kitchen and you don't know about, and which are very useful for treatment of lot of body problems like acne, your skin, your hair and a lot of things. So today we talk about a wonder drink and which is very useful in treatment of cold and cough. So let's see how to make it. So here you can see this beautiful yellow turmeric powder. Here is a salt, and here is a full glass of water. So before I start, I want to tell you this turmeric is very useful, and it can be beneficial for your heart, for your eyes, for your skin, for your hair, for a lot of things. I'm not gonna list it down here, but it has a lot of anti-inflammatory property. It has a lot of free radicals. It has 5 to 10 times stronger than vitamin E and C. So now you can understand that this wonderful things is available in your kitchen. So you don't need to rush to your medical shop for every small problems. So what we are going to do to make this drink, you need to take this full glass of water, and you need to mix a half tablespoon of turmeric and mix it in water, and take half spoon of salt, mix it and give it a good stir. Once it mixes well, you can boil this water also. Okay, so here is this wonder drink. I pour it in my glass and I'll just put it for some minutes to cool off. And one thing I want to tell you, this drink is for gargle, not to drink. So you can gargle your throat 3 times in a day, morning, afternoon and before you go to sleep, and you'll get a wonderful result, I'm sure. And sometimes cough and cold are very chronic. You take a lot of medicines, you take a lot of syrups, but they are not as effective as this drink can be. So I'm sure this drink help you. And so that's it for today. I'm sure that you like this video and the information I've given you, and you can subscribe my channel, you can like this video. So please like and subscribe, and don't forget to share. Okay, thank you.